И в отличие от антропогенной модели,
And unlike the anthropogenic model of climate change that they're trying to impose on us, we're telling the truth about what is happening to the climate. And no one has neither arguments nor evidence against those facts. Our arguments are right outside the window. The model we're talking about is real. That's why we act. Aren't you afraid? Then you are either a very brave person or a fool or suicidal. Only a person who is suicidal is not afraid, but a normal person is. We would be the first to rejoice if we are wrong, but unfortunately, the further we studied the question, the more we became convinced of the inevitability of the catastrophe, and the more we were thinking about how to stop it. We've been looking for a solution, and we found it. Based on the fact that the same climate changes are taking place on other planets of the solar system and even on the sun itself, we understand that this is an external influence. This is a certain cosmic radiation, and every 24,000 years, it has a stronger impact on our planet. It is this radiation that sets the cycle of cataclysms and affects planets, including our own. What is this radiation? To date, we know that the energy that affects our planet and leads to the destabilization of its core is similar to the kind of energy which allows the entangled particles to communicate with each other even when they are at different ends of the galaxy. This kind of energy has not been studied, but we do know that it is not a neutrino or electromagnetic effect, it is something different. Today, as humanity, we already know that quantum communication through interstellar space is possible. We already understand and know a lot, but it's not enough. Therefore, in order to counteract this cosmic impact on our planet, we need to counteract it with an equal force of the same energy. But in order to do this, we need to find this energy, study it, and learn how to use it at least in the same way as we use electricity. After all, today, no one knows what electricity is, but yet we use it. The planet is affected by a high energy impact of enormous power. It's capable of shifting the planet's core and causing changes in the microcosm. This force is still beyond our scientific understanding. However, we did encounter forces that we had never understood before, for example, radio waves. It's like sending our modern iPhone 300 years back in time. Would people who lived then be able to make a call within it? No, no one would, because they simply wouldn't have known how to use it. If they were said that they can use the radio waves to communicate at the same level of development we are, and now we need to study this invisible force which is affecting our planet. Yes, we have a general understanding of the processes, but yet it's too much scientific work to be done. We need a single intellectual fist with which will include the best minds of humanity, not pseudoscientists or grand eaters, but true scientists. Unfortunately, in our current consumerist format, it is impossible to do this because all the best scientists of the world are hidden from us in the secret laboratories and design bureaus. They are mainly engaged in developing weapons. And in today's realities, not a single state will let them out or allow them to unite, because the highest priority now is to preserve power, not human lives. That is why we need to change the format of existing system. We need the creative society. This is our only chance. Thank you so much for your attention.